guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. So hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Esther and this is my first time ever making a YouTube video. So guys, I don't know how to go about it, so anyhow you see it, please just manage it with me. So today I'm making a video on how to unbox a ring light. Here is the ring light. I got this ring light as my last year birthday gift, like part of the items I got from my boyfriend as my last year birthday gift. And unfortunately I haven't used it since last year. I got this gift on 28th of September last year and you can see it's looking quite old, so I haven't been using it. I just abandoned it in one corner of my room all this while because of one or two reasons. But right now I am ready and active to start making YouTube videos back to back. So today I just woke up and I feel like unboxing this, so I want you guys to join me while I unbox my ring lights. Thank you. What is this? Just will be helping me out. I think this is a tripod stand. Wow, nice. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Should I?
A bit. Yes.
Okay.
I think that's the
wow.
adjustment.
Okay. Which one is this? They don't even
The
know.
holder.
Oh, wow. So tall. So this is the tripod stand that I'll be hanging the ring light and iPhone holder. So here was there. Where did we got this from? We got this from Posh and Perfect Beauty Empire, located at K City Plaza, we'll say 2. So I think this is the ring light. I don't think this is the ring light. I'm so happy unboxing this after a whole year. What do I go about this? Okay. Wow. Ah, it's in the bag. Oh my god. Guys, this bag looks so cute. If I'm about traveling or maybe leaving my house to create content somewhere else, I can just pack it here in this bag. And it's quite handy. Yeah, see. Oh my god, this is quite big. Chaotic. Oh Jesus. Wow. A remote, a controller. Which one? Is it a remote or a controller? I don't know. Okay. This is all in the bag. Alright. So this is the ring light. Alright. I'll be. How do I go about this? Okay. I'll be rolling the knots. Wow. And I tie it back. Okay. Is this shaky? Is this firm? Let me losing it again and see if it will go down like this. Because I don't want my new baby to fall off.
Everything is your baby.
Yes. A gift from my baby to me. Okay, so what about this? I think I have to tighten this too from here. Yeah. So guys, I got 3 phone holder. Oh yeah. So where can I fix this? Wow. I think I should reduce this so that, wow, I can actually reduce this even below, like anyhow I want it. Okay, well, this, I don't really know. I'll just be trying. Oh, okay. Yeah, so This is the first one. That means I can use up to 2 or 3 phones at the same time with this ring light because of the phone holder. Maybe even use all the selfie lights. I can just hang it here too. This is the second one. I don't know why this one is not going down. This is the second one. You can see. Just to fix and tighten that. The third one. Whoosh. Tighten. Alright, let me test the phone on this. Guys, I got 2 batteries. I think with this battery you can charge and use when there is no light. So if there's no light, you don't have any excuse that there's no light, I cannot make video because my ring light is not coming on or something. Just charge this and keep it till whenever you're ready to use it and you'll be good to go. So I'll bring that out. This is the battery pack charger. I think you use this to charge this before connecting it to your socket or extension. So let me try and connect it. I'm doing this. Oh, okay. Then like this. Try and fix the battery and see if it will work. Okay, I want to fix the battery today. Ring light and see how it works. Oh wow. Okay, it's connected. So how do I use this? How do I put it on? You ask me. How do I put it on? Guys, how do I put it on? I don't know. Let me just try and fix. This is the remote or the controller. Let me try and fix the battery to it. I just hope this works. I don't know. I'm just trying. Okay. On. It's not coming on. Here can I put it on, guys? On, off. Are you serious? I cannot find any button. I think it's supposed to come on and off here.
So now,
Where?
it's like star shape.
Where?
Like star shape. No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Yeah. No, this one is the adjuster. Guys, I cannot put this on yet. Let me try with the switch. I don't even know if it's charged. I just wanted to try it. So let me try with this, with the charger and see. Let me try and connect this. Hey guys, so this is it. After being connected today. Wow. It has different lights. But how can I increase it? Oh, okay. This is cute. This is the beer. Okay, let me try and control it to the remote and see. Is this remote working? Oh wow. It's working. On. Off. Let me increase it and see. Wow, it's actually increasing. Okay, this is me reducing the light. You can see this is the increasing button and the decreasing of the brightness button. And I don't know this if this is just to, is it to tone the reflection? It's nice. Okay, the different kind of lighting. This is the warm, this is the cool, and this is the medium. I think it's the cool. I don't know why battery is not bringing it on it. I think I have to charge the battery. I was not able to use the battery because it's down. You know, I just told you I unboxed it today, so the battery has been down. I just plugged it now, but right now I am using the ring light, but I connected it directly to light using the charger. So this is me using the light to make this video, and I want you to see the different kind of lightning. I think this is the neutral, this is the warm, this is the cool, and this is the medium. I prefer the cool. This is the cool, and this is the warm. This one is giving one kind of vibe like that, but I feel like I'll be switching them once in a while. So thank you for sticking with me. For those of you that are patient enough to watch the video to this extent, thank you so much. God bless you, and see you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, comment, engage, please share if you like my video, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.